Hello everyone and welcome to MedGrind. Today I'll be explaining how to apply for your Internship Completion Certificate, a very important document that you will need before moving on to your permanent registration. So if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe so you never miss any useful updates. Now let's get started. It is basically a document which is issued by your college or university after you finish your compulsory rotatory internship. It serves as an official proof that you have successfully completed your training period. To apply for this certificate, you will need to prepare the following. Number 1, internship logbook signed by the head of department and dean or the principal. Number 2, attendance sheet if your college requires it. Number 3, no dues or NOCs from all the departments such as lab, library or your hostel. Number 4, passport size photographs. And lastly, the official application form which is usually provided by your college. In most of the cases there is no fee since it is issued directly by your college or university. However, some institutes may charge a small administrative fee, usually between 200 to 500 depending on your college. Now let's go through the process step by step. Firstly, you collect signature in your internship logbook from all the departments. Next, get your final verification signed by the dean or principal, and then you submit your logbook, no due certificate and application form to the academic or registrar's office. Then wait for processing. The certificate is then printed on the official college or university letterhead. Finally, collect your internship completion certificate and make sure to keep both the original and attested copies safe for future use. Then the processing time. It usually takes 1 to 3 weeks depending on the workflow of your college or university. And then some common mistake that you have to avoid to prevent delays. Missing signature in your logbook. This is the most common reason for rejection or delay. Second, not clearing your dues from the library or hostel. This can cause your certificate to be withheld. And lastly, applying late. Remember, delays in getting your internship completion certificate can also delay your permanent registration process. And this brings us to the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching this video. I would love to hear your feedback in the comment section below. I'll be uploading more helpful step-by-step guides on registration certificates and other official processes that you guys need to know. So please don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to MedGrind for more updates. Until next time, this is MedGrind, empowering doctors and dentists on their professional journey. Thank you.